So let me give you a quick tutorial. I want to re-emphasize, I know you guys have been given a lot of information, but we really need to get this done. This is our daily COVID check-in form, and it is something that you're going to need to utilize a lot for my class. Every time you come on campus, you have to fill this form out. It's super important that we get this filled out each and every time because it has to do with our contact tracing and being compliant with all the things to allow you to come onto campus. And should anything happen, should somebody get exposed or anything like that, we have all this information. If you fail to do this, there could be uh, you could be reprimanded for it. So don't risk it. All right. I've added something into the homepage, right on our skills homepage, right here. I've added a shortcut, and there's two places to go it, and I'll go ahead and allow it to keep going. It's a pretty simple form. It takes about 30 seconds to fill out. And also, if you go to the calendar, we're pretty good about putting it in the event. So if it pops up on your calendar and you're watching your calendar, you click on the event, it's right there. Please fill out this form, exact same form. So make sure that you fill that out before you come into class. Now, if you're coming in for onto campus to meet Anna, to meet Ben, to meet Mary Beth, for Open Lab, whatever you're coming onto campus for, feel free to use the same links that you have. Even if you're going to East Mesa for something, this is the exact same form. This form is for nursing faculty and nursing students to access any building that are going to access any buildings on DACC's campus or on any one of the campuses. So feel free to use this one as much as you like, but you have to use it every time you come to campus. Thanks.